Okay, now we have Trimble Installation Center installed on our Windows device. It's as simple as either going through the task menu or finding the icon on your desktop for Trimble Installation Manager. You're going to be prompted for your user account control. Select yes. Trimble Installation Manager will pop up. Right now we're looking for a receiver, but we want to put access on our controller, or access on our controller. It's going to search. We're working with my desktop right now, so we're going to notice that the serial number is my Dell. On your TSC7, you'll get your serial number, your Trimble serial number. Your versions are here at the top right. Let's go for our most current version, latest release. All right, looks like we have a few updates. Very important thing to select, especially when we're starting up with a brand new collector, is to get down here to your help and language pack. Make sure you select English or the preferred language of your customer. More likely than not, it's going to be English, but if we have other crews, you can install both Espanol and English on the collector. But for today, we're going to install English. Go to the bottom right, select Install. It's going to ping the Trimble server, and then start the download. There's not much else you need to worry about when you're running Trimble Installation Manager. Once things have been set up in the virtual warehouse and the serial numbers are associated with the device, this is all going to be automatic. Everything that needs to be downloaded that the customer has purchased will be downloaded through Installation Manager once it's been set up through our virtual warehouse. And speaking of virtual warehouses, before you do install the software onto your device, be sure that you check in with the virtual warehouse manager to be sure that everything has been set up for that particular serial number, and then there should be no issues. So this is just finishing up. Should be wrapping up here in any second. We're downloading our English language packet. Another thing to note about the language packet is the sounds and device interactions where Trimble will talk to you, like initialization and different things that you're used to hearing won't work unless you have a language package installed. You see, we're going through and we're just getting all the different apps installed. Most of our installations are just going to have our Trimble Access and General Survey. When you download the emulator to your desktop, you're going to get a demo version of all the different modules. Typically, Trimble Installation Manager is not going to take this long, but because this is an emulator and the demos are getting put on there, it's taken just a few more minutes. It should be wrapping up here any second. Okay, so you notice down here on the bottom, right, we have finish. That's how we're going to close this out. But one further note is when you are running updates for Trimble Installation Manager, always be sure to verify on your device which release you are running and to make that correspond here in the top right corner. We've now installed our access to our desktop. We're going to hit finish. And on your TSC7, there should be very little on your desktop. I do apologize for this desktop. You'll have your Trimble access. I'm going to click to open. We're going to say OK. No harm, no foul. We'll let them collect some data on us. And as long as this screen pops up that says projects and new, you're good to go. If you do pop up where it asks for a username and password, something wasn't installed right, or the license wasn't set up through the virtual warehouse. So long as you end up with this screen, you should be good to go. You'll be able to start working through Access and getting some templates and syncing up your receivers and your total stations, and you should be good to go. So we'll close this out, shut down Trimble Access. That's how we get Trimble Access onto our Windows 7 device, or our Windows 10 device.